morning, boys and girls. Today's essential question: how can you add using tens and ones? What are some different strategies I can use to add within 100? So today's strategy that we're going to talk about in our daily objective, I can use a hundreds chart to add tens and ones. So for our review, it says Jamal uses blocks to build a tower. He uses 4 red blocks, 6 brown blocks, and 8 blue blocks. How many blocks does he use in all? So the first thing we always do when we have a word problem is circle our numbers. Didn't even get that last number. And then we're going to draw a picture. So we have 4 red blocks. I don't have all of these colors, but I'll use what I can. 4 red blocks, 6 brown blocks. I'm going to use green. And 8 blue blocks. How many blocks does he use in all? In order to come up with our answer, all we have to do is simply count our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in all, Jamal uses 18 blocks. Alex has 7 sheets of stickers. Each sheet has 10 stickers. How many stickers does Alex have in all? So really this is saying that we have 7 tens, and we know that 7 tens is equal to 70. If we don't know that 7 tens is equal to 70, we can easily use this picture over here to the side and count out our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Number 3, use the part of the hundreds chart to complete each sentence. So it looks like our number is 56, so I'm going to put my box around the 56. 10 more than 56 is when I'm adding a 10. 10 more than 56 would be 66. 10 less than 56, it's when I'm taking a 10 away, would be 46. Our vocabulary words, we have place value, the value of where the digit is in the number. That could be tens, that could be ones, it could be hundreds. And addition, the action or process of adding something to something else. On this next slide, global awareness. You are going to click on the picture with the star to learn how to count from 1 to 10 in Hausa language with Bino and Fino. Hausa is the language that is spoken in Nigeria. Looking at the map down here of Africa, you can see the star, and that is where Nigeria is located. So you've got 2 different examples of hundreds charts that you can use today, so we're going to do the first one together. Use the part of the hundreds chart to add. We have our first one is 5 plus 15. So I'm going to put a circle around the number 5 because that's the number that I have first. And then I'm going to break up the number 15 into tens and some ones. So I know that 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. So when I add 10 to 5, when I add 10 to 5, I come to 15. And then I need to add 5 ones. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 15 is equal to 20. Let's look at the next one. 21 plus 5. 21 is our first number, so I'm going to put a circle around 21. And the number 5 is just ones. There is no 10 there, so all I need to do is count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 21 plus 5 is 26. This next one, 12 plus 9. Circle the number. 9 is just ones. So then I would go 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. Go ahead and complete the last one on that slide, as well as your optional review on the next slide with the next hundreds chart. These problems are very similar. We just have given you different numbers in each. So the first one says, Sally had some stamps in an envelope. She bought 20 more stamps. Now she has 8 stamps in her envelope. How many stamps did she have to start? So that looks kind of tricky. You are not going to take those two numbers and add them together. She had some, but we don't know how many she had. She bought 20 more. Now she has 28. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw the number 28, and we're going to take 20 away to figure out how many she had to start. So 2 tens, 28 is 2 tens and 8 ones. So then we're going to take away 20, 10, 20. So that leaves me with my 8 ones. So she started with 8 stamps. So your activity for today is to complete Envisions pages 555 through 558. And you also have the slides to place